Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be doing the sanitary napkin prank and a cup of tea. Yeah, she's in the bathroom now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my pad them, because right now I need them. Yeah, so it just comes to mind to like do this. I'm gonna take out one of my panty liner and sorry, I had to evacuate. Let me tell you now quick. I'm gonna take out one of my panty liner them and put some browning and support on it. Like I use two of them actually. Put it in my pocket. So she don't realize. But she nice in bathroom when they make my intro. Anyways guys, let's get into this. Pardon me for the darkness. A night and I don't really have much lighting. But see them here. Let's get to it. Yeah, put them together like this. Also. Just a liquid tap. Oop. Oh. Damn. Ew. We did it. We did it. We did it. Yeah. We did it. Right now a cup of tea is in the next bathroom, bathing her dirty skin. And the kid boom got a prank that will discuss her. What a same thing. Alright, boys, I want to like the video. I know it's very disgusting, so I'm not really putting it on camera. But like the video, subscribe. If you're new, comment, share to a friend. More for reach 3K, guys. Please make me reach 3K. Share out the video, man. You know, I take no more time to share the video. And like, not let no more. Oh, but I can put it in my hair again, and I'm loving it. Even though I pull up, but yeah, she are going good. She are treat me good. Anyways, now she come out of the bathroom. In all our grandfather room. In all our grandfather room. Come on. That's not mine. Are yours? I tried to prank you, damn it. Oh, sure. Every day I feel.
I saw it and thought it was poo. That's why I glanced back. I want me to walk past my teeth and I said, I do that for the ground. And then I walk back and
I didn't expect you to go and catch it. That's why I never really record. Because, like, why am I sending there? I was going to do it in the art.
If you never tell me about the wet up place,
do it with your mother.
Okay.
Yes, when she comes, we're gonna
put
it at the door.
No, make it stay right this way.
Yeah, I do it this already. Pana. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on yasso. And now she have a cuss, Jesus Christ.
Is it actual?
Browning and ketchup. Actual what?
My love, I support the small businesses too. Keep it up.
Hi! Mind the jumping up? You're not afraid of jump.
What is your problem with the bag?
Children is
Nothing
here.
is stinking now.
What stink?
That.
It's up.
That man.
Just like you. It's.
That was a bit of smell.
Yeah.
It's alright, let's not smell it.
What's my God?
Yeah, that early.
No, we are not early.
Wow. Oh, 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 oh.
not promise that.
Alright. Mommy was supposed to go with me, but she's ditching me. She named it even if she never there for carry him. No, even Uncle Dexter, and don't make shit turn. Oh, 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 ain't nobody. Yeah, yeah. Guys, I'm eating some jerk chicken. Look at me eating some jerk chicken from my.
One whole chicken that makes. When you just time, it's everything. I will email the marks and one. I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
No, email that. Email. Yeah, email. So, Mama, to do it. Wait till you are tell me still what. What's in my put him but going.
Yeah.
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 Guys, did you see that facial expression just now? He saw it, but he didn't say anything. You probably see people say, I say, I can't stand him. Mommy spoiled brat. And feels him too good, you see? Look at my mama. Mommy, tell the Kisha when man said to you today.
Which man?
When you stand up and stop like ready for cross, when man said to you.
She get that a lot, so it's like nothing. Nothing.
That's why she wear them clothes there.
Yeah.
No,
Trying to trap people.
because I move fast.
Anyways, we're not highlighting too much on the video. I don't want that in my vlog.
That's not what we're doing here.
Yeah, that's not that type of channel. Yeah. I want just up to my logo. Eh?
Take your food.
Give me a cover.
What my food?
My oven.
Yeah, me swear if I got lick out one of them puss there, you see? Brat.
Oh, you know, I actually thought I closed. Watch out, buddy. Somebody don't know.
The back are overflow. My food them. I just want like a teeny piece that me give puss. That's extra. When the master said for stop feeding her forever. You said him thirsty?
Toby, though. I'm pretty, though. Everybody said the same pretty.
This pretty?
Them face unusual.
Is him nana manners?
Wait, you want your Toby girl and go and bad? Make call a call. You're not bad. Call and say.
You see, something is wrong with him.
Right now? Let me tell you what happened. Why I'm not like caller. Every time caller say, Mr. Chung soon come catch you.
Jesus.
No, cause the girl just thief him food.
Time caller mention.
No, white girl just thief him piece of bone so him box tiny. Hear him. Disgusting.
Don't shoot Mr. Chung. Mr. Chung eat cat.
So that she say Chinese man we eat the puss.
Try to eat cat. Try to eat cat. Try to eat cat.
No.
Waga, bulla.
Walk with Tom. Tom, me with the answer the same thing. She biting. What me and do with bulla?
Cat say what?
Throw it down in front time like, me fi eat this? Yeah, Tom. Real man fi eat real food. No, what I take up a gun. Anyways, people, I'm getting ready to go to my bed, but I have to eat my final food. And what that, man? Anyways, back to me. To my channel. On my vlog. Now come. Hey!
So how?
We are girl after
Are
now.
you vlogging yourself or you're vlogging these dirty people?
I'm vlogging me. I talk too much, man. Left me. Me a star.
You're a star of the what? The jungle. Where your mother take you from? Monkey?
Our room is a jungle.
Oh! I didn't say that, you know. Are you that to tell me where you're from?
Oh, that doesn't should have me. Watch it. I pet him down, you know, and hear him a behave.
I pet him? And him a go on, sir?
Him just all riled up for no reason. Hear him.
Alright, Toby. Alright. Alright.
I'm here because I'm here today. I ain't not touch that.
Put him down, you know, cause any him jump up and cry me. And any him cry is a chop me, I go chop him.
You don't want to be on the camera.
Stop it, eyes.
Yes, pump for you.
Left him. Don't run him out the key. Don't run him out the key. Don't run him. I just want to frighten him.
Sorry.
I wish it's
Right now, I'm on telephone and no bullshit.
she see it. She look down. She see it and then she just look up and walk.
Yeah.
But we hope to catch because I never did hold the camera.
She said, we do not know no bullshit. She was there, right?
Yo, me never see her reaction good.
Good day.
Because she just reacts. She had me there big card on long. Let me wait for her to just hurry up.
I'm sad.
And your life sad because first of all, I shouldn't even do this. And you have me there.
I walk up and down with the camera. But that is it.
Or else would I catch it, Keisha? Or else me there catch it.
With the phone.
Yeah, you're me there going like me a vlog myself.
Yeah.
To help out a little channel.
Well, guys, that's it, guys. Wanna see? Jamaican, you can't fool them. Wait, let's see what she's gonna say when she come back down.
Don't stop. Yeah, so yes, this.
RDX. Did you get them?
You should still have that? You remember that was from mommy first cookout, you know?
What?
That.
This?
Mm. What you drink? We never drink that half.
My lord.
Should I know what this?
Mommy, mommy, what that? What is that? Dekisha, did you really put that there? Mommy, look what Dekisha. Me can't believe that all this time Dekisha have it. Oh yeah, so you take it off and put it?
There's certain of insanity I tolerate in this house, and there are certain insane behavior I do not
That is it, you know?
tolerate.
That is it, but you know, say no.
So,
He look down and then he
It's
bites it
because-
softer. It's like
this is a calm me.
when you get talk to me, I say, oh, I'm something so like something. You know what?
Yeah, me know when the camera put me them way. When me come a while ago, me see that and me I will take it. Me just have a laugh to myself, but I keep it like a pro because they know we're actors. Family
We're
full of
actors.
actors.
How are this family, dear
I
Jesus?
saw it twice and I.
You see it twice.
Wow.
But you take long to see it,
Napkin.
no, you know? You take a
Napkin.
good while to see it.
Yeah,
We're gonna call my dad. To see you.
I need to go drink some water. I'm not a part of your video.
Yeah, thank you.
Daddy, you didn't see the old food on the place?
What?
There's something where did they on the place?
On the plate?
No, on the whatnot stand.
What?
I put me and Tasha put something on it.
What
To
is
see
it?
the reaction.
Eh?
One brown something.
What you talking about? We know you talking about.
Oh, you never see it?
How?
No, one napkin with blood. Not blood, but you know.
Oh, I see them not paying no mind.
Okay, but I know read something. We just not tell you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright. I want it, you know, I'm embarrassed.
That's
We
why
don't
I
say
know.
nothing.
No, but I know that. No, you should have been more specific, Keisha. But as we tell
but
him
if
see it, but him just never want to say nothing.
yeah.
Can I see when him look too tight, cause him attack and him look and then him look back like him a say, what that? And him never say nothing. That's why I tell you say him see it.
Alright guys, see you in the next video.